For generations, Dr. Quirkey's Good Time Emporium was part and parcel of Dublin's O'Connell Street. The venue, with its slot machines, roulette and blackjack tables, is now called the Carlton Club, and it's still owned by the Quirke family, whose patriarch, the late Richard Quirke, established the business back in the 1970s. Richard died in October of last year, but details of his last will only came to light this week. And it shows that he was a remarkably successful entrepreneur, leaving over €54 million to his wife Anne. His business is now being run by his daughter Debbie and his son Wesley, who's best known as husband of former Miss World Rosanna Davison. His other son, Andy, came to prominence as the creator and star of RTÉ's Damo and Ivor. Richard Quirke made his name in slot machines, casinos and property, and he navigated the often turbulent world of amusement arcades over several decades. Some of his plans did not come to fruition, including a proposed venture in his native county of Tipperary in the early 2010s. To be located at 2 Mile Borris and covering an area half the size of the Phoenix Park, the Tipperary venue was envisaged as a Monte Carlo-type gambling paradise, featuring casinos, as well as horse and dog tracks, a 15,000 capacity underground venue, and a replica of the White House. Despite support from some, including independent TD Michael Lowry, the project never got off the ground. The Fine Gael-led government of the time was opposed to Las Vegas-style gambling emporia. Richard Quirke almost never gave media interviews. He preferred to stay well away from the limelight. Intriguingly, he was passionate about transcendental meditation, which had been developed in India in the 1950s. In his funeral eulogy, Andy said his dad practiced meditation twice a day, every day, for 40 years.